something about very all the commotion that happened. So ke tse ga itse ke a re ke reply ka mculo so yeah ke yo ntwe a re ke utlwise play from the song. Too short Ribiao. I want you guys to screen record this one. Screen record this one. I'm gonna record this one.
Exesha Fede. What's going on with Too Short? Like, auntie, what's going on with Too Short? This guy is celebrating, promoting his old things, like mising the whole situation that he took a brew to Nigeria. Like, he's the one who took a brew to Nigeria, and the brew is going through a lot, and he's saying, I'm capitalizing on this momentum. I'm releasing a song. Guys, go stream my song. I'm like, what the heck, dude? He seems to be unapologetic about the whole thing. And if he wasn't involved, he should just say that and not try to capitalize on the thing. Like, don't go live and say, I'm capitalizing on the momentum. If you want to capitalize, just drop your things and say nothing at least. Let the people assume. But hey, what can we say? This is South Africa. It's dangerous, guys. See you.